Paws leaving Telegram is not longer a news. We have a lot of information that I want to give you today to further buttress that. And we also see this very post, okay, on the Paws community on Telegram. Paws higher than ever. Our team has thoroughly examined the new guidelines recently released by Telegram. After carefully reviewing the rules, we have concluded that our vision for the powers does not align with the requirement outlined in this updated guideline. And this is a very important guideline, okay, from Telegram, okay, about if you want to use Telegram app, okay, and develop your mini app on Telegram, which give you access to over 900 million users, you must have to launch on the Ton blockchain. And this is an agreement between Telegram and the Ton blockchain. Okay, so this agreement must not be breached. For Paws not to use the Ton blockchain anymore, it means they have to leave Telegram. As a result, it seems highly probable that we will need to discontinue further development of the Paws mini app. And if you read this decision is based on the fact that the current direction of the app conflicts with the new rules, making it difficult for us to continue in its current form. However, all Paws data is already available on our website and we will continue to enhance and update it. Just make sure to log in to access everything you need. The last one here is we understand that this news may be disappointing, but we are committed to providing you with the best possible experience through our website and ongoing TGE. So TGE is coming soon. One important thing here is this is now sure. So let's go into other information that further point to the fact that this very migration have taken place in this very video. Another thing I want to show you, if you watch my last video on Paws, I talk about the fact that if you check this, their Paws community on X, they were talking about moving to Solana. It was not very sure, but if you look at this very recent post, this was just 4 hours ago, okay? And the tweet is, like this tweet if you are happy with Paws shift to Solana. So it's verified. Paws want to build something good for the community without any restriction. Paws is nothing without the community. So here we go with Solana. Like this tweet if you are with Paws. And if you go down a little bit, if you read this very one, which is just 20 hours ago, Paws on So confirm. Are you ready to welcome Paws? Yes, we are coming. Comment love Paws to show some excitement and like this tweet. So it is a guarantee. Paws have migrated from Ton and Telegram and moving to Solana. So this is the update now. If you go back to the Telegram mini app on Paws and you go to your Paws mini app, if you open it and if you check this very option right here where you see your wallet, if you click on it, this drop down, you discover that you are only seeing Ton, okay, Ton wallet. Before now, you're supposed to see two. You have Ton wallet and the Solana, which is the Phantom wallet. But the Solana, which is the Phantom wallet, have been removed. Why? Because that violates this very rule we're talking about, and Telegram don't want that to happen. So therefore, they remove it and they will be living for the Sol ecosystem. And I believe strongly the Sol ecosystem is a big one, which will drive more liquidity and all of those stuff. Ton is a developing ecosystem which is very open source and great as well, but they know why they want to do this very stuff, which I believe you need to follow the team and ride with where they are going. And for those of you guys that have not done this recent tags, if you come to the end section right at this point and you come under partner, there is this new tax right here that you need to do. Just follow this very channel right here and follow them on X to get plus 8,000 pounds altogether. Okay, plus 8,000 pounds. So don't miss this as we are rounding up. This TGE is coming very, very soon. Okay, you just see that on their X post, and this is what we need to pay attention to. So that migration to Solana is a guarantee. So in my last video, I talk about how to get through the Phantom wallet right here and move straight to your Paws account. Okay. Another issue here is, what if you have multiple accounts? How can you be able to navigate through multiple accounts? Because on Telegram, that is very, very easy to navigate through multiple accounts. So if you have multiple accounts, this is what you need to do using your Phantom wallet. All you need to do is to go to your Phantom wallet, okay, and you'll come to this very search button right here and type pause dot community, okay, like I talked about yesterday, pause.community, and you click on this go button, that is this search button, and once you do that, it will load it and bring out this for you to verify yourself if you have not done this before. Because I have done this, it will not tell me to verify, so it will take me directly to my dashboard. So if you want to connect different accounts through this, the first thing you need to do is to come here, okay, right here, this drop down, and click on it, and you can see add to exit screen. So this is the exit button, okay. So you need to exit from this very account first of all, and then after exiting, you go back to your Telegram, which is your Telegram app right here, and you choose that account you want to log in with. Okay, that means you have several accounts on one particular device. Okay, and once you choose that very account, you go back to your Phantom wallet and connect again by typing wpowers.community on this very search button and click on go. It will take you to the account that you choose on your Telegram. It's as simple as that. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that you exit the recent account you are on this very point, that is the Phantom wallet, and then you go back to the Telegram app, choose the account, and then you come back here to log in on Phantom. It's as simple as that. This is how you can navigate through different accounts. Why Pulse is migrating from Ton to Solana. It's as simple as that, guys. So this is the new update right now. So it's no longer a news that Pulse is moving away from Ton and Telegram, and also they are now going straight to the Solana ecosystem, which is a great deal. Let's look at how this plays out compared to other airdrops that have launched on Ton. We saw in the case of Menfi that transitioned from Telegram to or Ton to the Sui ecosystem. So all of this is a very important update for the Paws airdrop. So pay attention to this, and if you've not done this very task, please do it right now and get plus 8,000 pounds. So follow up with all of this update as we are with the TGE, which is coming very, very soon, and also other announcements concerning the listing date and the exchanges, which Binance, I feel like Binance is also on the list of the exchanges that will come on board first on this very airdrop. So all of this is very important, guys. Pay attention to this and many other airdrop updates on this very channel. Consider supporting this video by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto videos, updates, investing, and day trading strategies. Thanks for supporting this channel.